Hello children, good morning to all. How are you? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. What we have learned in the last class, do you all remember something? Yes, we have learned in the first class itself we have learned comparing numbers, and in the next class we have learned ascending and descending order. In the last class we have learned addition. Now in this class we are going to see addition with carry. With whom we are going to do this one? We are going to do these sums with our new friend Priya. She is our new friend. See, we are going to learn addition with Priya. She is our new friend. Say hi to her. Yes, Priya is our new friend. We are going to learn addition with Priya. See the first one, first sum 25 and 60. The first number is 25 and the second number is 60. We are going to add 25 and 60. See what is in the ones place? First in the addition we should add the ones place and then we should go to the tens place. Okay, in the addition or in subtraction we should add the ones place first and then we should go to the tens place. So we are going to add the ones place. What are the numbers we are seeing in the ones place? Yes, there are two numbers 5 and 0. There are two numbers 5 and 0. Now we are going to add 5 and 0. So first we have to take 5 in the mind, then take 0 in the fingers. See, there is a number 0. So the first number we have to keep it in the mind and the second number we have to keep it in our fingers. So 5 in the mind and 0 in the finger. Then what is in our mind? Yes, 5 in the mind, 0 in the finger. After 5 we have to count. How many fingers we are having here? 0 fingers. So we no need to count. So after 5 we have to stop it. So the answer is 5 here. We are adding only 0. 0 has no value. So we are going to put the same 5 here. Then we are going to add the tens place. 2 and 6. So keep 2 in the mind. 2 in the mind and 6 in the finger. So we are going to keep 6 in our fingers. So add this one after 2. After 2 we have to add 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What we have done here? We have kept 2 in our mind. 2 in our mind and 6 in our fingers. 2 in the mind, take 6 in the fingers. After 2 we have to start count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the answer for 2 plus 6 is 8. So the final answer, what's our final answer? We have to write both these numbers. So the answer for 25 plus 60 is 85. Our final answer is 85. We are going to write this 85 in our final box. So what we have done in this sum? We have added the ones place first and then we went to the tens place. So in the ones place there are two numbers 5 and 0. Take 5 in the mind and 0 in the finger. After 5 there are no fingers here. So we have to put the same 5 here. And then in the tens place there are 2 and 6. So take 2 in the mind and 6 in the fingers. So after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we have got the answer 8. After combining this is our final answer 85. We have written the final answer in this box. This is the answer for this first sum. Now we are going to the second sum. See, first we have to see the ones place, add this one and we have to go to the tens place. See what is in the ones place? 4 and 7. So we have to keep 4 in our mind. So 4 in our mind and 7 in our fingers. 4 in the mind, take 7 in the fingers. After 4 we have to start counting. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 4 in the mind, take 7 in the fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. What's the answer we have got? 11. If you are getting only one number like 9, 8 and all, we can put here straightly. But we are getting the answer as 11. See what is the answer? 11. So, the last digit you have to write here and the next digit we have to put above the tens number. Okay? The last digit 1 we have to write in this place as the answer, and the next digit also 1. So we have to put that 1 in the tens place. Now we are going to add all these 3 numbers. Okay, so first we are going to add 1 and 6. 1 in the mind, take 6 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1 in the mind, take 6 in the fingers. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have got the answer as 7. There is also another number called 2. So, keep 7 in the mind. So, keep your answer 7 in your mind. Keep 7 in the mind and take 2 in your fingers. After 7, 8, 9. Okay? Keep 7 in your mind and take 2 in your fingers. After 7, 8 and 9. We are going to add first these 2 numbers. We have got the answer 7. And then we are going to add that answer with this number. So 7 plus 2 is 9. Your answer is 9 here. After solving this one, we have to write the answer here as 91. Understood? See the next sum. We are having 86 and 56. First we are going to add the ones place and then we are going to add the tens place. See the ones place, there are 6 and 6. So we have to take our first number in our mind. Keep the first number in our mind. 6 in our mind and take 6 in our finger. The next number we have to take in our fingers. 6 in the mind and take 6 in your fingers. After 6, you have to start counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What we have done? First, we have to take 6 in the mind. Keep 6 in the mind and take 6 in your fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. What's the answer you have got? 12. If you are getting only one digit, you can put directly here. But you have got 2 digits as your answer. What is the answer? You have got 12 as your answer. So, what's the number you have to put here? Do we have to put 1 here? No. We have to put this last digit, this 2 here. We have to put 2 here and take the 1 to the tens place. Here you have to write as 1. So, we have to add all these numbers now. So, 1 in the mind, take 8 in the fingers. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, 1 in the mind, take 8 in the fingers. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, 9 is the answer. After this, we are having another number called 5. So, we have to keep that answer in your mind. So, 9 in the mind, take 5 in the finger. 9 in the mind, take 5 in the fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What we have done? We have done, added these 2 numbers. We have got the answer as 9. So next we are going to add this number with that answer. So 9 in the mind, take 5 in the fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So your answer here is 14. We are not having any number after these tens place. So you can write the 2-digit number here itself. So your final answer is 142. We have got a 3-digit answer like 142 is your final answer. Now we are going to the next sum. See 0 plus 8. 0 in the mind. Take 8 in the fingers. After 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0 in the mind. Take 8 in the fingers. After 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your answer here is 8. Then we have no carryover, so you have to go for this tens place. 9 in the mind, take 5 in the fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, we have no carryover here, so we have to add these two numbers directly. 9 in the mind, take 5 in the fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we are not having any numbers after tens place. We are going to put the whole full number in this place itself. So your final answer is 148. You are getting a bigger number now. So 148 is your final answer. Now we are moving on to the next sum. 98 and 88 is your question. First we have to add the ones place. 8 plus 8. 8 in the mind. Take 8 in your fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 8 in your mind. Take 8 in your fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So 16 is your answer. If you are having 2-digit number, you have to write this number, this last digit in the ones place and take the next digit to the tens place. So we are going to write 1 as a carryover in the tens place. So now we are going to add this 1. 1 in the mind, take 9 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1 in the mind, take 9 in the fingers. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we have got 10 as the answer. So keep that 10 in your mind and add the next number. 10 in the mind, take 8 in the fingers. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. You have to keep the answer in your mind. 10 in the mind, take 8 in your fingers. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So 18 is your answer. We are not having any other place after this tens place. So we are writing the full number here itself. So your final answer is 186. We are going to do the last sum now. See what are the numbers available in the ones place? 0 and 0. 0 plus 0. 0 itself is not having any value. We are adding, if we are adding 2 zeros, the answer is also 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. The next number is 7 plus 2. 7 in the mind, take 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. So we are not having any carryover. So we have write the 9 straightly here. Then after solving this, you have to write your final answer in this box. So children, have you all understood the addition? Now we are going to learn subtraction with Rahul. This is our another new friend Rahul. We are going to learn subtraction with him now. So what is the first number here? See, this is a simple subtraction. Okay. For addition we have added the numbers. For subtraction we are going to subtract the numbers. We are going to list the numbers. Okay. See, what is the number here? 8. This is the bigger number. So we have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. This is 4. This is the smaller number and this is 8. This is the bigger number. So we have to subtract like the bigger number will be at the top and the smaller number will be in the bottom. We are going to the subtraction sum will be like that only. So for addition, what we will do? We will be taking 8 in the mind. Same like that we are going to do now. We should take 8 in the mind and 4 in our finger. We will be doing the same thing in addition also, no? 8 in the mind and take 4 in the finger. What we will do for addition? After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 like that we will do. But for the subtraction, we are going to move in the opposite order. So, if you are going like 9, 10, 11, 12, now we are going to the before number. Before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay. We are going to say 1, 2, 3 in the from 10 to 1. Okay, in the descending order. So 8 in the mind, take 4 in the finger. Before 8, 7, 6, 5 and 4. Okay, before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Now what is the answer? Yes, 4 is the answer. 8 minus 4. So 8 in the mind, take 4 in the finger. Before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay, the final answer is 4. So we are going to write the final answer in this box. The answer is 4. Now we are moving on to the next sum. 5 minus 0. So 5 in the mind, take 0 in the finger. Before 5, what we can do with this 0? We cannot do anything. So this 5 we are going to write this same 5 here. So we saw in the addition 5 plus 0 is 5 and like that, same like that 5 minus 0 is also 5. For both addition and subtraction, if we are having 0 in the bottom, we will be writing the same number in the top number in this answer. So 5 in the mind, take 0 in the finger. We can't do anything with 0. So the answer is 5. So we are going to write our final answer here. Then see the next sum. 7 minus 5. 7 in the mind, take 5 in the finger. Okay, 7 in the mind, take 5 in the finger. What we should do next one? After 7? No, this is subtraction. So we should do before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, can you understand, children? 7 in the mind, take 5 in the finger. Before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So your final answer is 2 here. 7 in the mind, take 5 in the finger. Before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. So your answer is 2. You have to write the final answer here as 2. See, we have seen the subtraction for single digit. Now we are moving on to the double digit and single digit. Okay, we are having 28 and 4. Now if we are having tens and ones place, what we should do? Which number we have to go, which place we have to do the first? We should go for tens place? No, we should do the ones place first and then we should go for tens place. See the ones place, what are the numbers in the ones place? 8 and 4. What we have to do now? Yes, 8 in the mind and 4 in the finger. Keep 8 in the mind and take 4 in the finger. Before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 8 in the mind, take 4 in the fingers. Before 8, 7, 6, 5 and 4. Your answer is 4. So write your answer here as 4. See in the tens place, what are the numbers we are having? We will be having 2 numbers. But here we are having only 1 number. So if there is no number here, it is like 0 there. It is like 0. We have to think it as 0. In that place there is 0. So 2 in the mind, take 0 in the finger. Before 2, we can't do anything with this 0. So we are putting the same 2 in the answer. See, like this sum. 5 in the mind, take 0 in the finger. Before 5, we can't do anything with this 0. So we have directly written the answer as 5. Here also, if you are having 0 here, you can directly write 2 in this place. So your answer is 24. 8 minus 4 is 4 and 2 minus 0 is 2. Your answer is 24. Now, see the next sum. 78 minus 0. See the ones place 8 and 0. If you are having 0 here, what should we do? I told no. You can directly write this number here. So the answer here is 8. Then, if there is no number, what we should think it as? Yes, we should think here there is 0. So 7 minus 0, the same procedure. 7 minus 0, with this 0 we can't do anything. So we are going to put this 7 directly in our answer. So 78 minus 0 is the same 78. 78 is your answer. So your final answer is 78. See the next sum, children. Here is the ones place and tens place. We should move on to the ones place first. 4 minus 2. 4 in the mind, take 2 in the finger. Before 4, 3, 2. Okay? 4 in the mind, take 2 in the finger. Before 4, 3 and 2. Your answer here is 2. See, move on to the tens place. 5 in the mind, take 4 in the finger. 5 in the mind, take 4 in the finger. Before 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? 5 in the mind, take 4 in the finger. Before 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Your answer is 1 here. So, your final answer is 12. You have to write your final answer in this box. Okay? Your last sum. See your last sum. We are having 82 and 62. In the ones place, we are having 2 and 2. So, subtract that one. Start subtracting. 2 in the mind, take 2 in the finger. Before 2, 1, 0. Okay? Before 1, we will be having the number as 0. So, 2 in the mind, take 2 in the finger. Before 2, what we should do? 1, 0. So, your answer is 0. On subtracting one number, with that number itself we will be having 0. So 7 minus 7 is 0, 8 minus 8 is 0, 67 minus 67 is 0, 100 minus 100 is 0. If you are subtracting two numbers and the two numbers or the same numbers, we will be getting the answer always 0. Okay? So 2 minus 2 is 0. Then next one, 8 minus 6. See the tens place, what is there in the tens place? 8 minus 6. 8 in the mind, take 6 in the finger. Before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. 8 in the mind, take 6 in the fingers. Before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. What's our answer? 2. Yes, 2 is our answer. Now, moving on to the next sum. What are the numbers here? 82 and 62. Okay, first we should subtract the numbers in the ones place. We are going to subtract 2 and 2. So, keep 2 in the mind, take 2 in the finger. Before 2, 1, 0. See, what will be the number before 1? We will be having the number 0 before 1. So, 2 in the mind, take 2 in the fingers. Before 2, 1, 0. Your answer is 0 here. So, if we are subtracting one number from that number itself, it is 0. The answer will be 0. So, 2 minus 2 is 0 and 3 minus 3 is 0, 8 minus 8 is 0, 69 minus 69 is 0, 100 minus 100 is 0. Even 1000 minus 1000 is also 0. So, we are going to subtract two numbers and both the numbers are same number. The answer will be 0 always. Okay. 10 will move on to the tens place. What are the numbers here? 8 and 6. So, 8 in the mind, take 6 in the fingers. 8 in the mind, take 6 in the fingers. Before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. 8 in the mind, take 6 in the fingers. Before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. Your answer is 2 here. So, what's your final answer? Yes, your final answer is 20. What we have learned in our today's class, we have learned addition with carry. With whom we have learned? We have learned addition with Ria. And then we have learned subtraction, or single digit subtraction, and the double digit with single digit and double digit subtraction. With whom we have learned this one? With Rahul. We have learned these sums with Rahul. Like this, you should practice many sums at your home. Okay children, hope you have understood the subtraction and addition that I have taught now. Now we are going to see activity for today's concept. Okay children?
Now we are going to see activity based on subtraction. What is this? Fingers. It is fingers. So now we are going to solve some subtraction sums using these fingers. So what is this one? 5 minus 5 equal to what? What is the symbol name? Minus. 5 minus 5 equals what? Is how we can do? 5 in the hand. We'll take 5 in the hand. Okay. And we have to take 5 out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 minus 5 means how many it remains? How many it remains? 0. 5 minus 5. In 5 means 5 gone means remaining is 0. So the answer is 0. Okay. Next, what is this one? 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. 5 in the hands, we have to take 2 from 5. So now taking 2 from 5. So remaining how many? 1, 2, 3. Remaining 1, 2, 3. So the answer is, in 5 2 gone means answer is 3. Answer is 3. Next, what is this one? 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1. So now take 7 fingers. Now take 7 fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we'll close this one now. Seven fingers. Now we having 7 fingers. In 7 fingers we have to take 1. In 7 we have to take 1. So now take 1 in 7. So remaining how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in 7 1 gone means remaining 6. The answer is 6. Okay, what is the next sum? 8 minus 6. So 8 minus 6. So we need now 8 fingers. Now we need 8 fingers. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 will take out 2. So now we have 8 fingers. In this we need to take 6. So 8 minus 6. Okay, 8 minus 6. How? Now we have to take how many fingers out? 6 fingers. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in 8, if 6 finger gone, remaining 2. So answer is 2. Okay, now you all have learned subtraction using fingers. Okay. Now we're going to see another one activity based on subtraction. So what is this? What is this name? Number line. So now we're going to see subtraction using number line. What is the first sum? 9 minus 4. We're going to subtract 4 from 9. We're going to subtract 4 from 9. That is, we're going to take 4 from 9. So using number line we can see. So which is the biggest number? No, 9. So from here we have to take 4. So I'm going to move backward 4s. So 1 from 9 to 8, 1. Then 8 to 7, 2. Then 7 to 6, 3. 6 to 5, 4. So 4 moves I have moved. So what I have got? 5. So now can we do again? So 9. From 9, 4 moves. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 moves. That's all. So till 4 only we have to move. So from 9. 9 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? We got 5 as the answer. So answer is 5. So 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 as the answer. So what is the next sum? 5 minus 1. So next one is 5 minus 1. So for that we have to keep, yes, it's in 5 now. So we have to move how many? We have to move 1 move. So 5, 1. So 5 to 4, 1 move. What is the answer? 4. So 5, 1. 1 moves. So 5 minus 1. That is we have to move backward 1 time. So 5 from 5 to 4, 1. So answer is 4. Yes, we got. Next. What is the next one? 8 minus 4. We're going to subtract 8 minus 4. That is, we have to subtract 4 from 8. So we're going to take 4 from 8. So where is the 8? Here is the 8. So we have to move how many moves? 4. So 4 moves. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we got? 4. So from 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4 is the answer. Next, what is the next question? 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. Where is 7? Here is 7. So 7. So 7, 2. 7 minus 2. So 2 moves. 1, 2. So from 7, 1, 2. 2 moves. Where we got? 5. 5 as the answer. Shall I do again? So 9 minus 4. So from 9. 9 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 5 as the answer. Then 5 minus 1. So 5. So 5 minus 1. 1 more. 5 to 4. 1. So 5 minus 1. 4. 1. 4 as the answer. Then 8 minus 4. So from 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 minus 4. 4 as the answer. Next 7 minus 2. 7. 2 moves. 1, 2. So we got 5. 5 as the answer. Okay. So this is subtraction using number line. So have you all learned subtraction and addition in this video? Okay. Thank you, children.